My people, so welcome back to another video. Yeah, so upon the whole same idea, you get a start. Yeah, the place kind of out of square and so can't really line up like what I really want. Yeah, out of square, wicked. So that is a bedroom. So we have porch out here, so. So that's how the passage straight down the line. Passage bedroom and bathroom. Yeah, so we're kick off. Alright, my people. So we're kick off. Yeah, so it's how we reach with it. So we have bedroom here, so. Yeah, some 24 by 24. So this is the bathroom. Well, this is a floor I go cast up. Yeah, so that floor I go cast. Yeah, so this is one of the bedroom. Yeah, almost knock out already. Yeah, we have the porch out here, so. Yeah, so as soon as you complete the floor inside, now we take on up on the porch them. Yeah. So we have another porch. We have back and front porch. So this is the front porch. As you can see with the pan track. Yeah, this have to clean up still. Like a jackman thing. Yeah. So this is the next bedroom. Yeah, so we come in and so. Yeah, closet. Yeah, so this is the next bathroom. Yeah, another bathroom for them to cast up. Same way. Yeah, so we take time to go on with people. So I'll close out that section here. So we run some tiling and so. Yeah, once we close out this one now, we'll come back out here so. Yeah, so we can finish up out here so. Alright, my people, so we're done a good round on that side there now. Yeah, everything dropping down the line there. So as I said, the bathroom. Next, the bathroom, I have to cast up. Yeah. Tile drop in. So I'll close the mirror here. Yeah, so we're dropping everything in also. Yeah, so I'm tackling this right now. So we can knock out the room, yeah. Yeah, so everything are gone. All of them tile have to drop in, go up the line. So we have to just turn in another bedroom. Yeah, so this is the bathroom, them have to gas up. Can't do nothing in there yet. Bedroom done and drop out. See them. So take time I go on. So yes, look people so this is how they go so drop out some time in so you know. Get this stuff online. Drop out the tile on the paper. Yeah. I know you're the try. Nice porcelain time 24 by 24. Alright, my people, so the place almost done. Yeah, so what look like we have them two pieces of tile of drop in here, so. Round as a close off. Just two pieces there, so. Everything else basically finished. Yeah, so we close off round as so. As you can see, floor nice. Yeah, we're looking good, my people. You know, we line up, you know, do some grouting. Just drop in them couple pieces, close off the front here, so. Yeah, so, you know, from here, so we just have like them have to drop in out here, so. Yeah, drop in and then we close off. Yeah, passage clear up. Yeah, bedroom drop out.
The next room is no better than the one next broom, Edward.
Yeah, so let me say we'll do some cleaning up same time.
Right now,
Do some
I want to have
grouting.
full. And it's over.
Yeah, so this is going right now. Let me say we'll clean up. We'll get the place growth out. Yeah. Have the porch on the outside there. You have two porch upstairs I have to deal with. Yeah, but yeah. Bathroom floor I have to leave for last. I have a cast up and things same way. Yeah. But we're good so far. As I say, I'll drop in them couple pieces of tile so now and get the place growth up. One thing with that place, some people it out a square wicked. Yeah. I'm on the place out a square, so you know. Do the best way we can do with it. Square it for me also, but trust me. Everything out a square. Alright my people. So the place done tile. You drop in all of the tile them. So we do now clean up, line up for the growth. Yeah, so as you can see. Yeah, everything drop in. Yeah. So as I say, we clean up. Yeah man, so as I say, we clean up and line up for growth, you know. So all of the tile drop in. Yeah, we just wait for the plumber now to come in, sort out the bathroom, get the bathroom floor cast out. You know, that's what you can do what I do. So everything. Yeah man, everything drop in. So we basically done it upstairs now. Just the two porch leave. Yeah, back and front. Sweep out in a sub bottom. Yeah man, so one of the bedroom. So we have 2 bedrooms or so. 3. Yeah, passage area. So the bathroom will not deal with it neither. Yeah, so let me see some growth in where the growth mix up here now. Growth in a pan. Yeah, so some growth in where we do. Alright, my people. Yeah, so as you can see. Yeah, so this is the passage down the line. Yeah, so as I said, we grow it up. Yeah, we'll grow it up and everything. Yeah, so we have the bathroom floor here. As I say, the bathroom floor for castle. So everything basically finished up as a tile grout clean up. Yeah, tile goes up on the floor. Yeah, so as I said, the passage here. So we have round on the next side. Yeah, which is the master bedroom. Yeah, porch and a toilet. Yeah. So this is the master bedroom. Yes, my people, so the tile, I'm sit down on the floor. Yeah, man. So we have this bathroom here. But then if you come in and can't see them way. Yeah, so this is the closet. Yeah, big walk-in closet. Yeah, so as I say, this bathroom, the cast up as well. Yeah, so just have the 2 bathroom floor upstairs and leave. Yeah, everything basically finish up floor, finish up and grout up. Yeah, man. So this is how we look, my people. You know, if you watch the video to this far, you know, subscribe as yet. You know, subscribe to the channel, help the channel to grow. Yeah, man. Share your thoughts in the comment section. You know, like the video, share the video. Yeah, so as I said, this is how it will look like. We have the staircase to deal with same way. Yeah, but we're looking good. Yes, my people. So you don't know I go. I want to say big up all of the supporters them, you know. Enough respect every time. Yeah, man. So alright, my people, we'll catch up on the next video. Yeah, man, love and respect.